In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to all pages using Google Sites. If you're building a site and want consistent information to appear everywhere, a site-wide footer is the simplest way to do it. Think of your footer as the steady handrail at the bottom of every page. It's perfect for essentials like your brand tagline, links to policies, social profiles, or a brief copyright notice. Let's walk through the process clearly and make sure you know what to expect as you go. Start by opening your site in the Google Sites editor and head to any page you're working on. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. As you reach the end, you'll see an option labeled Add Footer. This appears when you're at the very bottom, and it's Google Sites' way of inviting you to create a section that will repeat across your entire site. Click Add Footer, and a dedicated footer area will appear. This section is special because it automatically shows up on all pages. No need to duplicate it manually. Click inside the footer to start editing. You can type in your content, adjust formatting with the on-screen toolbar, and add links to important pages like your contact page, privacy policy, or help center. Keep the text concise and scannable. Short lines read better at the bottom of a page. As you style your footer, let your site's theme do the heavy lifting. The footer inherits your chosen fonts and colors, helping everything feel consistent. If you want visual hierarchy, use a slightly smaller text size than your body text, and rely on link styling to make navigation items clear. Be mindful of contrast so your footer is easy to read against its background, and avoid cramming in too many items. Clarity beats clutter. You can also include simple visual elements, like a compact logo or icon, as long as they're not overpowering. If you add images, include descriptive alt text for accessibility. And for legal or policy notes, keep the language straightforward and professional. Once you've added and edited your footer, scroll through a few different pages in the editor to confirm it displays as expected. Because this is a site-wide footer, updates you make here will reflect everywhere, saving you time on future edits. That's all it takes. Scroll to the bottom, click Add Footer, and customize it. With just a few thoughtful touches, you'll have a polished, consistent footer that strengthens your site's credibility and makes navigation easier for your visitors.